Welcome to our series, Ask a Heidolph Rep, where we answer your questions about our equipment. My name is Allison Shellhammer, and the question of the week is, what does your vapor sleeve do? So our vapor sleeve, which is shown right here, actually serves two different purposes. The first is the sleeve eliminates any glass to metal contact that you will have when the vapor tube is inside of your Hei-VAP drive. This keeps it from ever getting stuck inside the motor or any glass breakage. The other thing is that this allows for the perfect positioning every single time when you insert the vapor tube within your drive, so you don't have to worry about having that variance. Thank you for tuning in to this week's episode of Ask Your Heidolph Rep. We'd love to answer your question in a future week. Please submit them to hello@heidolph.com, or you can find us on social media at Twitter and LinkedIn at HeidolphNA. Thanks again, and we'll see you again next week.